So, I'm sad today, guys. We hit 400 subscribers, and I wanted to celebrate with candles. Candles bad. Maybe we should just stick to balloons. Anyway, I wanted to make this video to thank you for hitting the 400 subscriber mark. That is absolutely amazing. And I am happy that there are individuals out there that feel that there is value in what I'm producing, and that is super cool. And I wanted to do something really special for 400 subscribers, or maybe 500, I wasn't too sure what it was going to be. And I'm not going to say what it is here, because it is kind of a top secret project in some ways, and I need to get some permissions from the collaborators to release the information. But as you've seen in a previous video, while I was recording information for this project, I might have done a stupid thing with the TV. And unfortunately, that is going to mean that all of my best laid plans that I had for the channel that involved anything financial or anything related that I would need to acquire to do a video for, I'm going to have to put on hold, unfortunately. I'm hoping to have a laptop purchase coming up right away. It's going to be my first one in 5 years. Not counting you, of course, but newer. Again, no offense. And yeah, I still want to be able to make that purchase, and of course I'm going to have to replace that TV. Maybe one day when YouTube gets around to accepting my monetization, this sort of thing won't kind of put the brakes on as hard as this will. But there will be a couple of projects that I've outlined in previous channel updates that unfortunately I'm going to have to put on hiatus until that can be solved. But once again, I want to thank you for your support. I've really enjoyed answering your comments. I hope that you have found value. I appreciate the positive feedback that I've received and the constructive feedback that I've received. And I think that if we can keep this positive momentum energy going, that this is something that I would like to continue to do, and we'll see just exactly how far we can take it together. So again, thank you for showing your support. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I know that there might be a lot of reasons that you don't. Maybe you're like, oh man, this is one more channel, I just can't be bothered. But it really sends a very clear message to me, and of course to the community, that what we have to discuss here is valuable. So once again, thank you for your support, and hopefully the next update that you will see involves a certain secret project and not me breaking something else.